So I'm Aradhya. You are watching Aradhya's Glimpses, and I'm in class 8. This is my second video, which which I'm recording today on Sunday, on 2 May 2021. So as today is Sunday, I've not recorded from morning because from morning to till 1 o'clock I've sent you my routine on my first video. So after 1 o'clock, what all we just do, I'm going to send you today. So I'm recording this video that after 1 o'clock what all I do. So my routine after 1 o'clock. So let's get started. So guys, before starting our day, I've not made my to-do list before because I just thought to make my to-do list in front of you all guys. So now the time is 12:15 and I'm going to make a to-do list for today. So what all we just going to do in the whole day. So I'm going to make a to-do list. Is done, and now I'm going to just start my day after 1 o'clock. So finally my routine is this. So after watching this routine, I'm just going to start by 1 o'clock. So I'll meet you at 1 o'clock. Now the time is 12:30, so 12:30 to 1 the time is for break, and after that we'll start. So let's start. Guys, now the time is 1 o'clock and let's start studying. So first of all I have to do is that my computer chapter 1. So let's do that. The time is, I think, let me check, 2:30, and I'm done with my computer chapter on how much I thought. So I'm going now next to complete my Hindi note which is left to me, and the Hindi worksheet. So let's do that. So guys, I'm done with my worksheets and also the Hindi homeworks and Hindi notes. So the time is 3. So I'm done with everything which I have to do till 1 to 3. And now is my break time from 3 to 4. So let's take break, and I'll meet you after break, or in the break I can show you something. Let's see what in my mind it comes. So guys, the time is 4 o'clock. In the break time I just went to see my sister, where she was studying, what she was doing. So I went there, ate something, and now it's time for once more to study. So let's study from 4 to 6 once more. In 4 to 6:30. In this we will complete our SST chapter, and history chapter, and the science part. We'll finish it off, and I'll meet you in finishing or after finishing. Okay, so let's do that. So guys, the time is 5:30 and the chapter I showed you now has been studied by me. I have studied that chapter now. and of a history. So I decided to study now science, but I thought once to take rest, but I would not take rest until 5:30 till 6. I'll study science. So the time of science has been decreased because I think I should do it by 6:30, because at 6:30 we all go to do some exercise, some warm-ups, and to just relax our body. So first I'm going to do science. Let's see how much time we could do science. So I'm going to study the science chapter. So let's do that first now. So guys, the time is 6 o'clock. So I'm going now to get some rest, because I've studied many hours today. As much as expected, I've done because of the shoot. Every day I just get lost. I won't follow my routine always. So I just tried to follow my routine today due to only the shoot. And the shoot helped me a lot. So I studied from 4 to 6 now. So I know science time is very decreased. So let's get some rest now. I have 6 to 8 break now. So let's take a break, and I'll meet you whether in the break time or after break. Let's see. So I'm going to get break. So guys, as the time is 6:30, so my family, we just go upstairs on the roof and do the everyday's workouts. So let's do that. So guys, I just worked out now and my look has totally changed, because I worked out very much, because I had challenged something for 30 days challenge for something. So I did very hard work and very effortful it was. So I'll meet you after just doing my look good. I just started eating this. My mother gave me because I was very hungry after doing this hard workout. So my sister is disturbing me to do vlog. So let's meet you after some minutes. Guys, now the time is 8 o'clock. After I did my rest time, I told you before, no need for 6 to 8, but I did my workout from 6 to 7:30. So the time from 7:30 to 8 was just, I ate something as I shown you in the previous video. I ate and now I am going to just tell you 8 to 10 my routine will be to study maths, and 10 to 11 I will just eat my food, have my dinner, and 11 o'clock I'll sleep. So I think I'll give that glimpse in another video, or let's see, let's hope for the best. So now I'm going to just do my maths, and then I'll have my dinner and I'll sleep at 11. And let's see tomorrow's productive routine. So today I followed everything and I've done everything very properly. So stay tuned for my next video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment upon my video if you liked it or if you need any changes, because the previous video I sent had a problem because my sound was not clear in that video. So I tried my best to do that in this video, because if I shown to my family members and they told me that your sound was not clear in the previous video. So I tried my best to solve this issue in this video. So if you have any conditions or you need any nice things, or you think that something is wrong in this video, please let me know in the comments. My next video will be, I'll give a hint, My next video will be of challenge. I'll do a challenge and that will be my next video. So stay tuned and I'll meet you in the next one.